Cold temperatures and snowy days are here. I'm talking the type of day where you could come in from the cold and sit down to a savory slow cooker recipe that will warm you from your nose to your toes. And you can do just that with this slow cooker brisket and onions. I'll show you how. Starting with the ingredients, first you need olive oil, yellow or red onions halved, beef brisket, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, garlic cloves minced, beef stock, Worcestershire sauce, and soy sauce. The first step to this recipe is to caramelize some onions. Oh yeah, this is serious. Heat a large pan or cast iron skillet over medium heat with olive oil, add the onions and cook about 20 minutes, stirring frequently. While those onions are cooking, I'm going to generously season the brisket with salt and pepper. Be sure to pat it dry first, it'll help the seasoning stick to the meat. I have another skillet here. I've added some olive oil to it, and I'm going to sear the meat until a golden brown crust appears on both sides. All that's left now is to add the rest of the ingredients so we can turn on the slow cooker and let it do its thing. In this order, sprinkle the minced garlic over the meat, take the sweet caramelized onions and pile on top, mix the beef stock, Worcestershire sauce, and the soy sauce together and pour all over the brisket. Lastly, cover and let it cook on low for 6 to 8 hours until it's very tender. Before you serve it, let it rest for about 20 minutes on warm. Not only will it cool it down some, but the juices will flow back into the meat, making a delicious juicy taste in every bite. And when you serve it, you can slice it or shred it up and then serve it with that onion and the juices all on top, along with some rice, mashed potatoes, green beans, even a salad. You've got a hearty meal ready when you come home. Enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.